Hi everyone. So today I thought I would go to the grocery store because I'm kind of running out of groceries, and I wanted to take you guys along to show you what I get on a ketogenic diet. I'm kind of been on and off, but I'm starting back up again, so I need to get some essentials. So I thought I'd take you along. I'm currently on my lunch break, so I have about an hour and we'll see what we can find. Okay, so I just got home. I have all my groceries laid out, so I thought I'd show you guys everything I got. I spent about $73 at Winco for, I think, a lot of good stuff. Just remember to bring your credit card or a checkbook because, debit card or a checkbook because they do not take credit cards. So I had to learn the hard way because I didn't have any cash the first time around. So I finally came back and I got some good stuff. So let me show you guys what I got. Okay, so here is everything that I got from Winco Foods. I went during my lunch break, so I kind of had to rush a little bit. So I'll show you guys everything in a little more detail. All right, so we have half and half. I use this for coffee. Heavy whipping cream. I use this for like making pasta sauces. Sour cream, just to kind of have with like cucumbers and meat and like salami, just like a little sandwich. And then my favorite thing at Winco of all time, I didn't get a lot because I want to make sure I don't eat it all, but this is almond butter. So they have a place, I don't know if it's at all, but it's just like you press a button as you guys saw in the video, and like this amazing almond butter comes out, and it's so good, like with anything, with fruit, anything on its own. Sometimes if I'm like craving something chocolatey, I'll just like eat a spoonful of this, and it's so good. And then we've got 18 eggs. I got sliced pepper jack cheese, and then just a Mexican style blend cheese. Let's see, just regular bacon. And then I just got some salami. Kerrygold Irish butter. This is definitely a staple in the keto diet. And then just like a salted nut mix. This has 2 net carbs per serving. And then I also tried some frozen stuff. I don't really get frozen veggies, but here I got frozen cauliflower. I'm gonna use this for a cauliflower soup. Just like an Asian stir fry mix. Riced veggies, I'm gonna try this, see how it tastes. And then just another bell pepper one. For snacks, one of my favorite snacks are these sugar-free Jell-O Jello cups, like when you're really craving something sweet. They're zero, let's see, yeah, so 0 carb, 0 sugar. So those are pretty good just to like kind of hold you over, keep you sane. And then strawberries. I was gonna get blueberries, but I didn't have enough cash because Winco only takes debit cards and cash, and I didn't have a debit card on me, so I actually had to put a few things away, but that's okay. So these are some strawberries. Next, I got some tilapia. I usually get salmon, but I just wanted to try tilapia this time. I got 4 avocados. These will definitely not last me 2 weeks, but just wanted to get 4 and then I'll buy some more later on. 1 green bell pepper, 1 English cucumber. These were only like 78 cents. And then I got a container of sliced mushrooms. These are really good mixed with this, which is cauliflower rice. I like chop these up and kind of stir fry it with some heavy whipping cream, and it's so rich, so delicious. And then I got a big bag of broccoli. This was like $5, and me and my husband will go through this probably in about a week and a half. And then just a 3-pack of romaine hearts, 2 big onions, 1 lemon. I'm gonna use this for the tilapia. We've got 2 squash, 1 zucchini, and then last but not least, and then baby spinach pack. So that's about it. I didn't really get a lot of protein, as you can tell, because I do have ground beef already in the fridge that I bought the other day, and I do have chicken. That's gonna be my protein, and of course I'm gonna use this andouille sausage, and I'm gonna chop this up and make like maybe like a zoodle dish, or I don't know. I'm gonna use this for something. And the macros on it aren't bad. It's 1 carb per serving, and that was kind of the best thing I could find. So yeah, that's my keto grocery haul. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and let me know if you guys want to see more of these. I really like doing the keto diet. I think it's a very fulfilling diet. The food is really good, and you kind of aren't craving a lot because you can have things like Jello and bacon and salami and butter. Like, come on, what other diet are you gonna find that has all this amazing stuff? Well, it's not a diet, it's a lifestyle. So just remember that, you guys, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye.